fact about chickens I bet you didn't know. Many domestic pets have no interest in television. Dogs, cats, lizards, they're not going to watch television. But if you had a pet chicken, chickens really like to watch TV. My favorite are the cartoons. Bark! When two simple events occur, the likelihood or probability of a compound event occurring is a fraction of the simple outcomes. I'm going to give you an example of this. Let's say you were flipping a coin. What is the probability of heads? Well, since there's only two equally likely possibilities, the probability of getting heads is 1/2. Let's say we had a spinner, A, B, C, D. The probability of getting A, since A, B, C, D, the probability of getting any of those sections is equally likely. The probability of A is 1/4. So therefore, what is the probability of getting heads and section A? Well, we would make a counting tree. You could get heads or tails. If you got heads, you could get heads and A. You could flip the coin and get heads and B. You could get heads and C, or heads and D. Or, conversely, you could get tails and A, tails and B, tails and C, tails and D. There are 8 total possibilities. The probability of getting H and A is 1 out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1/8. Now there's something else, a quicker way of doing that, and that's called the multiplication rule of probability. If you knew there's a probability of A, and the probability of B, and the probability of C, the probability of all 3 of those things occurring is obtained by multiplying their probabilities. So 1/2 times 1/4 equals 1/8. So a simple event would be one event, and if that's paired with another event, like the spinner and the coin, that's called a compound event.